Is this going? All right. Hey, people. Now, this is Levi Costello going to talk about a little bit about the oral comm presentation. Now, for the oral comm presentation, we had a little understanding about how to present and talk about our little demo project for the different videos and the programs and projects that we're all working on. Now, in order to understand this, I had to listen to a wonderful lecture that Dr. Grissom gave me. Love it. Great, wonderful, beautiful. Now, understanding this, I had to understand a little bit more about the demo and what I read and different readings that I had to go through. And they really taught me more about the demo itself and how to present and talk to the other people, focusing more on the actual subject of the project, what we're trying to sell to the person, and focusing on those key attributes rather than just the overall project. Now, we're going through this review and going through this lecture. It was more on a review of what was talked about in the book and what we understood when it comes to presenting our demo, presenting our project, and presenting this information to our clients. How we need to gear our project to our clients, to what they want, to what they are suited for. Not just throw a bunch of random information at them. We need to make it entertaining. We have to be able to go through the points that are understandable and not just code. Like, we show them stuff that they care about and stuff that is working and stuff that is like actually knowledgeable, that they will be able to understand and comprehend. Not just here's the backend server, or here's code, or here's what the process, how to make this. They'll not care about it and they'll get tired. We need to be able to be interactive with them, being able to talk enough about the project so that way they can ask questions and to discuss it afterwards, and different things like that. Some of the things I took away was understanding that not just to leave and not just to set up and just like get out of there, because you want to like leave room for questions, and also be wary of stupid questions, because stupid questions, well, like, not stupid questions because no stupid question is stupid, but like questions that like catch you off guard. Like, for example, like, why is the screen blue? Like, that's not what I care about right now. So it's just things like that you want to be prepared for and like understand and recognize that things like that might happen and to not be taken off guard by that. Another thing that I wanted to understand a bit more was that for the project itself, when you present the demo, is that you want to do research with who you're doing. It's like an interview. When you go for an interview, you don't just be like, "Oh, this is an interview for computer science. Hi, I'm gonna talk to you about how I mowed lawns when I was a kid." That they don't care about that. They want to care about what you did for computer science. It's kind of like that. You want to talk to them about what they want to hear, what they care about, and what they want in the project, rather than what has been just set out, what has just been done, and what has been completed, and all that you've done. Um, this brings me back to like the class and like what we've been doing so far and how we need to like give updates. These updates are more of what we have done and completed, but we want to talk about what we've done and completed in a way that will make them more intrigued, more interested in what we are doing. For example, when I'm working on back-end work and working on stuff that's basically trying to get you to log in and trying to get you sign in, I shouldn't just be like, oh yes, I'm doing research and connecting database stuff that connects from a login to the main app, so that way we can be able to get everything running and working. They're going to be like, what the heck are you talking about? Rather than that, I can be like, so we have been working on stuff behind the scenes to make it so that way you can do this, and then you can show them what you're doing, and then you can be like, this stuff is very interactive with the website, because now you can log in and display all of your information and show everything, and everyone will be able to see it and everything like that. Well, in the sense for like login and whatever you're talking about. But it's just basically like this, the key elements of what it takes to present and what it takes to understand the oral comm and what we're all doing when we present our information. And I really appreciate learning this, because this will definitely help me in my pitches and my talks and my discussions for different things that I am presenting to my customers and my bosses and anyone who I'm working with on the project. And that's all for the video. Thank you so much.